everyone, this is Gopal from Jagdamba Pearls, MG Road, Secunderabad. We have got a lot of comments for that people need the jewelry in lightweight collections. So here are some collection of deep Nakshi work with the very lightweight gold. The pendants start from around 4 to 5 grams to 10, 15, 20 grams like that. So here are the deep Nakshi bangles. This is Ganpati bangle. It's openable. The screw is there, so openable it is. It's very lightweight. All these bangles 35 to 45 grams in between. There are so many different gods are there. Krishna with the peacock. Very lightweight. If you see our jewelry, there is the engraving from the inside also. Here is Lakshmi Kada. So all these are the different kind of workmanship. You know, this is a deep Nakshi work. Hyderabad is very famous for this. This is without any god. All the peacocks are there. Again, this is openable. The weight is around 50 grams. But it looks like around 80 to 85 grams. It's a solid look. So always you think that we need a big and huge item, but you want in the lesser weight. So these are the things you can. All this can solve the problem for the weight purpose and all. So today we will focus on the lightweight pendants. So this is a small Lakshmi pendant with the coral drop. Here again one more Lakshmi pendant with the ruby drop. These all are 4 pendants are lightweight. For all these things, if you want more range, price detail, please WhatsApp on our official number 720-720-0042, which is showing on the screen. So our sales team will give lot of options, lot of range and all. See, this is one of the beautiful rare collection of the aquamarine stones along with the deep Nakshi work pendant with the South Sea pearls. If you turn the back side, it is hollow. All are with the BIS hallmark. So you can modify also. We can customize instead of this aquamarine. If you want to put pearls or rubies, emeralds, we can customize and give. And if you come to this side, these are all Keshi pearls. Keshi is one of the rare collection. All these are the natural pearls. With this, there is a Lakshmi chain, which is very lightweight. In future, you can customize this also. If you want to wear it separate, you can wear it and separate this also. So when you come to these small pendants, this is one of the beautiful workmanship, deep Nakshi work with all the diamonds, VVS1 EF. All these are the finest quality of diamond. See the jewelry wearing Lakshmi with all the diamond. See the lotus flower. In future, if you want to put anything like pearls, ruby, emerald or solid gold chain, we can customize and put. This is also very beautiful. You can make it a side brooch also, a pendant also. See the diamond finishing and quality. And this is one of the masterpiece of Jagdamba, where it looks like a 20 gram, but it is just 10 gram pendant, very hollow backside, diamond surrounded and 3 pieces of uncut diamond. Our drop is Russian emerald. For all these things, price and detail, please WhatsApp on our official number 720-720-0042 for all the details. This is Ram Parivar, Vishnu Parivar, like this kind of more varieties is available. This the jewelry is CZ. Some people they don't want to wear diamonds, so for them we have made in CZ also. If you turn it backside, you can put any big chain, so openable screw. If you want to add any pipe necklace, you can add. So today we are focused on all these small pendant. This is Lakshmi pendant with all the Navratna. Even though it is looking like 70 to 80 grams, but actual weight is around 25 grams. All these are the fine quality of Navratna gems with the South Sea pearls. Again the same concept of Krishna pendant, same Northern style. In this also we have lot of range, so whenever you want to please WhatsApp on our official number, so that our sales team will give all the details along with the best prices. And across India, total delivery charges is free. Yeah, this is a very small window. For more varieties and all, please WhatsApp on our official number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our video. Thank you very much.